Goldzim Construction Limited. Welcome back. Standing with me is XCMG star performer, the XE215C hydraulic excavator. It's not just about raw power, it's about smart efficiency. Check out its core strength with an operating weight of 21.5 tons and a standard 0.93 cubic bucket. It's powered by an ISUZU engine, delivering 106.5 kilowatts. Its working capacity is astonishing. A max digging height over 9.6 meters and a max radius of nearly 10 meters. It handles deep trenching and long-range dumping with ease. Now let's step into the cab. It's spacious with excellent visibility. The controls are responsive and ergonomic, reducing operator fatigue even during long shifts. A robot chassis ensure reliability. The 600mm wide tracks lower ground pressure, providing superb stability even on soft terrain. Easy maintenance is key. The hydraulic system uses dual pumps for high efficiency. Daily service points are centralized, making maintenance quick and cost-effective. Power efficiency reliability, that's the XCMG XE215C. If you are looking for a partner to conquer any challenge, this is the one. See you next time. Bye bye.